News just coming in. Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje has cancelled her Anandpur Sahib visit. Raje was supposed to come face-to-face with BJP Chief Amit Shah and Home Minister Rajnath Singh at the 350-year celebrations of Anandpur Sahib today. The meeting was significant amidst reports that an embattled Raje had called Amit Shah to explain her position in the Lalit Modi row. Sources have told India Today that the Rajasthan Chief Minister in all likelihood will be asked to step down from her post, a price she'll have to pay for her family's alleged financial links with Lalit Modi. At a big development here, Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje has cancelled her visit to Anandpur Sahib. No official reason been given by the Chief Minister's office as yet. Now, sources are telling India Today that the BJP leadership is likely to ask Vasundhara Raje to step down from the post of Rajasthan Chief Minister after massive money links between her son Dushyant Singh and Lalit Modi were reported. In fact, we're also been told that Lalit Modi's company invested money to the tune of 11.6 crores in a company owned by Dushyant Raje. Of course, Dushyant Raje Singh maintains that all these transactions were legal, but the charge of money laundering has been levelled against Lalit Modi, and the fact that Dushyant Singh also conducted monetary transactions with the former IPL chief are now under scanner. Vasundhara Raje finding herself in a tough spot here. She was expected to come face-to-face with BJP President Amit Shah and Home Minister Rajnath Singh at an event today, but now we're being told that she has decided to cancel her visit. Let's get now from Sanket Upadhyay, who's with us live from Jaipur this morning. Sanket, big development here. Any reason been cited for by Vasundhara Raje's office for cancelling this visit?
Well, you know, Simi, this is an absolute mystery at this moment. Why suddenly, within 12 hours, you have had a massive U-turn? In fact, should I say, overnight, there has been a U-turn in the travel plans of the Chief Minister of Rajasthan. What actually could have forced the Chief Minister of Rajasthan? Now, if sources are to be believed, we did manage to speak to a couple of people who are close to Vasundhara Raje. There is a very high possibility that perhaps the Chief Minister is privy to some internal communication or information within the party regarding her future. Now, at this moment, we can't go beyond this because there is very little that people are speaking on this particular issue, whether it is her detractors locally or whether it is the people who support her. That's exactly the position. In fact, Javed Ansari yesterday got us this information that the central BJP team or the unit, that is the party high command, people who are in Delhi, are not particularly happy with the way things have actually fanned out over the past few days in Rajasthan, particularly with the name of the Chief Minister and her son directly coming into the spotlight. What can this politically mean for the Chief Minister is something that we will be waiting and watching very, very closely. But as of now, this remains a huge mystery that only yesterday, Simi, while on one hand you had the Chief Minister's office releasing that letter, and I believe we have that a copy of that letter in our possession, which we are flashing for the benefit of our viewers. Only yesterday this was released by the Chief Minister's office in order to showcase that yes, the Chief Minister will be going to that particular function in Punjab on a personal invitation by the Punjab Chief Minister to Anandpur Sahib. What has changed overnight is a huge mystery.
Okay, thanks so much for putting these developments in perspective for us. The big development this morning, Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje cancels her visit to Anandpur Sahib. She was expected to come face-to-face with BJP Chief Amit Shah and Home Minister Rajnath Singh.